Jamaican dominos.
And we are live on YouTube. You guys, you can have a look.
6.
6 tray. Level 5. Tray again. Five.
Oh Lord, tray again. Let's see. Alright, 6. I bet you don't find that.
Check my double tray.
Okay, that's getting down to the nitty gritty. Oh, this could be terrible. Okay, play 4.
5. Black. 4. Won the game, guy. This is my first one.
Oh God. One for you.
Laying down too much, really. No. That's good. First one for double 5. 6. 5 again. This is Jamaican domino, guys. We're kicking it over here.
Okay. I'm gonna go to that. And I'm gonna go tray. Get out that. Okay. No blanks and no trays.
6 again.
Okay.
Go back to the park, guys.
I don't go for long. What you gonna do?
I'm coming.
When?
Right now.
Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Okay, now you go. Oh goodness. How many you got?
1. I lose this game. I lost the game. You play. You win.
I thought number 4 was in jeopardy.
I thought you was going to pick up the double 6. 1-1 for us.
Instead, you went got it.
1-1.
Score is 1-1. Okay. Throw that double 4 out. Because I don't like it. Get that out too.
2-5. You in the park again?
No, I'm just visiting on here for a little while.
Okay. Keep yamming out the park.
I'm on visitor's pass. Go yam yourself. What? Visitor's pass. That's what I wanted you to do. Go hunt. This is my favorite part right here when he pull. Get them all. He left one domino.
I left one domino, guys, but you can watch the game. I'm surely not a loser. I have 8 domino. I'm gonna bow all of them.
I wonder, did you overpull?
Cause I'm gonna kill her hand. Me no overpull nothing.
It was 4 and Trey down there.
Listen, me no overpull nothing.
It was 4 and Trey down
yes,
there.
but me no overpull nothing. That's what I'm telling you.
So you don't have no more
Me play
trades?
a S. You play S. Me play the 5.
Before that, it was 4 and Trey down
It
there.
was 2-4 down there. Me never have any 4. It was 2-4 down there. You